काल आमकां एक इन्फॉर्मेशन येयली की ऑनलायन गॅमलींग आनी IPL बॅटींग चालू आसा म्हण बाणावली एरियेन. सो अकॉर्डिंगली म्हजी टीम हांवें फॉर्म केली, हेडेड बाय द PSI and lower staff, and they proceeded to verify the spot. And that place has been properly verified by our staff, and then as per the procedures we obtained the search warrant to enter into that premises from the SDPO Margaon, and accordingly he issued that warrant, and accordingly we started the raid. And that during the raid we that information has been found, it is a true information, and our staff has been detained the person who were found in that particular flat in Banavli. And थंयसर आमकां 3 जाण मनीस आमकां मेळून येयले. ऑल 3 accused persons, Rahul, Sunny and Tejas Kumar, they are all from Gujarat. कळ्ळें. आनी ते आमी जेन्ना रेड आमी थंयसर मारली, थंयसर आमकां 2 laptops, 5 mobile phones and some other articles, all around worth rupees 2,60,000. All the materials we have seized as per the procedures and taken into the custody. Accordingly, we registered the offence under the gambling under the relevant provisions of the BNS Act.
इथे तुम्ही ज्या घरान रेड मारल्या ती रेंटेड घर, सो
Yes.
ओनराचेर बी कितें अशें एक्शन जावंक शकतात?
येस एब्सोल्युटली. ते जे रेंटेड फ्लॅटार तेंच्यांनी जे इलिगल एक्टिविटी ज्यो चालू केल्ल्यो, थंयसर आमी ते आतां ओनराक आमी ट्रेस केला, हू इज दॅट ओनर पर्टिक्युलर दॅट फ्लॅट, एंड वी आर इश्यूइंग द नोटीस. वी आर समनिंग हिम टू द पुलीस स्टेशन फॉर डिटेल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन पर्पज.
सर आज सकाळी एक मायनर बॉय मिसिंग म्हणून एक कंप्लेंट फाईल केल्ली सर.
Today at 11:00 Jaras, we received one complaint from the Mr. Gilbert Gonsalves, resident of Orlin, that his son is missing from his residence place. So accordingly, without wasting any further delay, without wasting any time, I formed my team, PSIs and other my staff, and deputed all the possible areas which थंयसर जो भुरगीं आसतात आनी थंय भुरगीं वचूंक शकतात ते नियर बाय एरियेन, आनी म्हजो सगळो स्टाफ डिप्लॉय केलो अलॉंग विथ द फोटोग्राफ्स ऑफ द बॉय, मायनर बॉय. सो आमी माजोड्डा एरिये भितून घातले, मागीर कोलवा धाडले, मागीर फातराडे धाडले, वार्का धाडले, सगळ्या प्लेसीचेर आमी म्हाजो स्टाफ घातलो. सो तो भुरगो सकाळी 11 मिसींग जाल्लो. आमकां सारको 15:30 सारको 3:30 सुमार तो भुरगो फातराडे बिचार फावंड दॅट बॉय एट फातराडे बीच. सो अकॉर्डिंगली त्या भुरग्याक आमी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर हाडलो आनी तेच्या फॅमिलीक इन्फॉर्म केलें, आनी ते फॅमिली केम टू द पुलीस स्टेशन. ते फॅमिलीक आमी त्या भुरग्याची कस्टडी दिली.
Need IT spares, speakers, or telecom products in Goa? Come to Sri Gopal Krishna Electronics, your trusted partner for quality computer peripherals and business communication solutions. From reliable IT spares to powerful speakers and telecom gear, we have all your office or home setup needs. All types of CCTV camera and laptop parts available in wholesale. Sri Gopal Krishna Electronics, shop number 30, opposite Ader Showroom, Gogol, Margao, Goa.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.